Let's make a magnetic picture hanger. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, we're going to make a magnetic picture hanger or a poster hanger. And let me just say this, it will be perfect for those of you who have grandchildren or children and they draw little pictures. Just wait. All right, so we've got some rulers from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is peel off the little part with the numbers. Yeah, I know. We're going to use both, and then I'm just using a sponge and some Waverly wax. Do both of those. Then I have this little distressing thing, but you could use like a sponge, and I put some white chalk paint on it, and I'm just going to distress. Now, again, if distressing isn't your thing, don't do it. Don't distress over distressing, friends. So I did both of the rulers that way. And then I decided I needed a little more. So I used a dry brush with the same white paint. And then I thought, not enough yet. So I used a blending brush and some ink just to darken it up a little bit. Again, do as much or as little as you see fit. Then I'm going to use my handy dandy cover up a dial and pop a hole in the end of the ruler. Now I have this Garland that I got at Dollar General. It was 50% off, so I paid like $1 for it. We're going to find the center and cut it. I know, don't distress. It's fine. I'm going to take off many of the beads so that I only have 5 beads at the bottom. You do as many as you'd like. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to get a package of magnets. I got these at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them all across the bottom of one of my rulers. Then I'm going to put hot glue, and there's 2 on each of these, right? It's a stack. So there's 2, 2, 2. So that's technically 10 magnets. Then I'm going to put hot glue on those, and then I'm going to put the other ruler on top of that. Ta-da! Then we're going to lace in one of the rulers. We're going to lace our garland, and then we're going to lace the beads back on. Now, you're going to be tempted to lace both of the rulers on this. Don't, because then it won't hang right. It'll kind of flip and go flat on you instead of having it stay nice and straight. Does that make sense? You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. But I just followed the same pattern that was on the original garland, and I'm just putting more beads on. I am not putting all the beads on though, because I want to have enough of the jute available so that I can tie a knot. And there's that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Look how pretty. I love it. I love it. And I was so excited to see these on sale. Oh, so happy. And again, all I'm doing is just a knot at the top and quit it. Like, that's it. That's all we had to do. Are you kidding me? Look at how cool this is. So you have this, and then here's the next level, right? This is a calendar from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take out April's, okay? Oddly enough, it has a bee design on it, which kind of fits with this week, but whatever. We're going to put that in there. See, snaps it shut, holds it. Hooray. But then, I don't know about you, but I am always having somebody ask me what the date is or whatever. And look, you just flip it over and there's the calendar. It fits, right? I mean, come on, that's super fun. Now, again, though, you could use this for other pictures. You could do it for paintings you've done or other graphics that you love. Or if you have children or grandchildren or kids or you're a teacher, this would make a great way to display artwork. Just saying. So many ideas. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.